loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Peyton and today I'm coming at you guys with a get ready with me. Right now it's literally 2:37 and I just finished my makeup and I'm honestly like about to just eat some food and then go. So I'm about to go to Penthouse Day Club today and I just decided why not do a get ready with me and also just show you guys my updated makeup routine because I've just had a lot of people asking me to make another get ready with me or an updated makeup tutorial, so I decided to do this one. And this is also my first time doing a get ready with me with an eye look, so I hope you all enjoy it. And I will also include the link to the tutorial that I watched for this eyeshadow look, and I'll also have all of the products that I use in the description box below. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep watching. I already did my eyebrows and now I'm just gonna start working on my hair. I did my hair yesterday and I did take this wig off and I put it back on like a day ago, so it's basically like pretty fresh, but my baby hairs are getting on my nerves, so I'm gonna touch those up. And then I'm also gonna just like quickly touch up my hair because I need to like just straighten it, but I think I'm gonna straighten it after, but I'm just gonna do my baby hair right now. It's a spider in my corner and I really wish that I could delete it, but did I just say delete it? Yeah, I really wish that I could kill it, but I'm too scared. I'm going to be using some Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless concealer powder or foundation powder, I'm not sure, but I just use this for my lace. I'm just taking the basic eyeshadow brush and this just helps it look a little bit more natural. I know my camera is really HD, so my hair probably looks so crazy, but it doesn't look that crazy in person. This right here has just been really dark, I don't know why. I'm not really gonna mention what products I use because they're all gonna be listed in the description box below, but I will show them to y'all before I use them. So I'm just using this right now. And I'm just trying to save time by doing that because I don't want to make this video extra long because I have like so many of these. But you know, for the first time, I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow on camera. And people have been asking me for eyeshadow tutorials, but let me just give y'all the tea. I do not just know how to do some bomb eyeshadow and just make it up and just, you know, improvise from my brain. I really just watch a tutorial every time. Like, it'll be small tutorials, big tutorials, like whatever tutorial I think looks good, I will emulate it. So whoever tutorial I use in this video, I'm going to give them credit just because of course they deserve that. And I'm keep looking at this spider. And then I'm just gonna quickly spray some MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray. My closet looks really crazy. This is only my stuff, but I have like 2 roommates, and oh yeah, if y'all couldn't tell, I'm not at my house, I'm recording in my apartment. I for sure have midterms and finals coming up really soon, but I definitely am neglecting my responsibilities today. I did do some homework last night and then there was the time change, so I stayed up until like 5. I'm just gonna brush it through. But yeah, I have like a midterm coming up this Wednesday that I'm probably gonna study for as soon as I get back from the club. And then I have to just finish up some of my videos for class. Then starting next week, I will be taking finals. So I'm probably not gonna upload for about like 2 weeks just because of finals and stuff. And this video is probably gonna be posted like probably the week that I'm doing my finals. Who knows, but I'm definitely gonna be AFK away from keyboard. I really got that from like online social sites, but I'm really gonna be like MIA. If I'm posting this video, I'm probably about to not post, or I've already haven't posted for a minute. Because you know, time management, y'all, time management. But everybody has been asking me for a get ready with me, so I'm like, why not? Right now, I'm just going to take this little piece of lettuce. No, I'm just kidding. But it's just like a little piece of strap that I cut off a do-rag and put it around my baby hair. And I feel like this is really key to lay your baby hairs down and really just make your lace melt into your head. But honestly, blonde hair is a struggle. Alrighty, so let's hop into the face. Now I'm not gonna really talk too much while I'm doing my face, but let me look for an eyeshadow look. This is literally what I do every time. I just go on YouTube and I type in what I'm going for. So I'm gonna be wearing like a nude lace top and then a black skirt and some nude heels, probably a fur coat. Of course y'all are gonna see. So I'm thinking of going for like a gold eye look. So I'm just gonna take off my lashes that I have on right now. Get started with my shadow. I'm using this Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. I'm just putting that to my eyes. I'm taking this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and just putting just a little bit on top of my eyes. Just gonna be taking this color and this color here on the palette and going into my crease. Now I'm going to be taking my Morphe M505 brush and taking these two shades. Now I'm gonna go into this color right here, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe M332 brush and just putting that here. So that's looking pretty good. So now I'm going to be taking my Morphe M124 brush, which is like a little small brush like this to apply the color, and I'm going to be going in with this gold right here. And so I'm just going to get some color on this brush first. Then I'm going to wet it with my Fix Plus spray, just so I can pack on a little bit more color. And I'm just going to go right back in. And now I'm just going to carve out my crease. And I like how this gives you that cut crease effect without you having to do the extras to do the cut crease. And I'm just going in and just basically painting away my crease. If your brush gets dry, you can just wet it some more just to help you apply more of the eyeshadow powder. And then lastly, I'm going to go into this dark brown shade with my Morphe E17 brush, which is kind of smaller. And then I'm putting it like this, which is kind of not really a part of her tutorial, but I'm just cleaning up that gold, making it look a little bit more neat. And then adding some more brown here, just to give it some more definition. And then I'm just gonna go back into this warm shade and then just clean it up a little bit more. Just taking my Morphe M504 fluffy brush and just blending that out. Now I'm just taking this cheap little black eyeliner that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm going to outline my upper eyelid and my lower eyelid. So now I'm actually going to get into my face. So I'm going to take off this strap from around my head so that I make sure that I get my foundation in all the right parts. So I'm going to be taking my NARS foundation, and honestly, you already know I'm always doing, like, I never really do a full face anymore just because I feel like this foundation is too thick, but I'm trying to wait for this foundation to run out so I can get a new one and then go back to doing a full face. But since my skin is like basically clear, I usually just put this where I have like spots and stuff. So let's like look at that. Now I'm taking my Tarte concealer. I'm just gonna apply a dot. And I do this just because this color is super light. I'm just going to take my Morphe M439 brush, which is my this is really a foundation brush, but I like to use it to blend in my concealer. And then just blend it. Concealer stick and just do that. Ooh, I kind of got messed up right there. And I'm taking my Morphe E4 brush and just blending all that in. Then I'm going to take my Morphe M524 brush and just chisel down my nose. So now I'm gonna go back in with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm taking my wet beauty blender again, and I'm just gonna dab a little bit of this like that, blow it, and just rub it in. I don't like to let my setting powder sit because it gives me like an ashy look, so I just rub it in. Because it's like, it's not to say that I don't need setting powder, because my skin definitely oils up, but I don't need to set it, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna go back in with my MAC Prep and Prime spray. So it's finally done drying, and now I'm going to go in with some bronzer. Now I'm going to be using 2 bronzers, and I usually just use one. And I'm just going to be taking my Morphe E58 brush. Now I'm going to use my NYX first. And I'm going to use this shade right here. I'm going to use my MAC highlight and this brush. Oh my god, it has a crack in it. That's scary. And I just like to honestly put too much at first because I'm gonna blend it all out. And now it's time to blend. So literally both of my camera's batteries are dying, so I'm just really gonna quickly blend this out. I just blended out my makeup using this, and I was just going like this for the most part. I'm just trying to really get this in before my camera dies so I can just show you guys. And then I'm just going to do the bottom of my eye right now. So now I'm going to be taking this shade and this shade using my Morphe M164 brush and applying that to the bottom. And then I'm going to be taking my Morphe M432 brush and then just taking that dark shade again. Then I'm just taking this Morphe E17 brush and just fleshing this out. So once I'm done with this, I'm just going to flat iron my hair off camera so my battery can charge, and then I can come back and show you guys where I'm at. So I'm going to go back in with this MAC highlighter, and I'm going to be using my Morphe M431 brush and just applying that up here. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline the Falsies and applying some mascara to my eyelashes. And so I'm going to be using my Dodo lashes in the style 307, and I'm going to just go ahead and apply these off camera. And before I do that, I'm going to take my Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray and spray it on my face. So I'm still not done just because I have to put on my lashes and my gloss, but I'm going to eat. And I'm waiting for my lashes to dry right now, but I'm just going to show you guys my outfit in the meantime. So These are the same clothes that I got from No Style USA, which was in the last haul that I've uploaded, and I'm just going to be wearing this lace bralette type of leotard in nude, and then I'm going to be wearing this PU O-ring zip-up skirt, and then I'm going to be wearing these nude tie-up heels that I got from Fashion Nova. So really cute outfit, and I'm about to put it on. The last thing that I did was use this NYX dark brown lip liner with my NYX Buttergloss in the color Gingersnap for my lip. Now I'll just show you guys my outfit to the best of my ability. And yeah, my room's pretty messy in the background. Hope you guys don't mind. Okay, so I have on this top and these pants, and then I'm gonna go ahead and include a video of what I look like full body outside or in the club. So that was it for this get ready with me. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big giant thumbs up, and make sure you guys comment down below if you liked it, if you hated it, if you want to see more. And last but not least, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.